What is up, guys? It is Tom from StickerBros. Rom from CUTWORX came over yesterday to teach us something cool. As you can see, we got it on a roll here. No more sheets. It is fully automated. Clamps down on the table, moves it up, and it's going to come right back over and start cutting again. Right now it's just reading the registration marks. That's how it makes sure all the cuts are accurate. And there it goes, back to cutting. So instead of doing 50 sheets on the table at a time, now we're doing it on a roll, and it'll just keep coming off the end. Someone will be here taking the stickers out. But this is how we speed up production on the big runs. Patriot Liner here orders about 10,000 stickers at a time. So this is perfect for them. Big thanks to the guys at CUTWORX. We're lucky. They're over in Irving. We're in Fort Worth, Texas. It's like a 20-minute drive, but those guys drop what they're doing to come over and help us and teach us stuff. Their customer service is absolutely incredible. If you guys are looking for some flatbed cutters or laminating tables, hit them up at CUTWORX USA. They are legit guys. They know what they're doing, and overall, they're just super nice guys. All right, just wanted to show you guys, we are up and automated on the CUTWORX Apex Pro. Have a good one, guys.